Всем привет, я зовут Grainu. I'm CraftyFoxe and welcome back guys to the Minecraft military force. Today we're going to be building the Mi-35, also known as the Mi-24VM. The 35 is for the export variants, but I see everyone pretty much call this the 35, so I'm going to call it that. So the Mi-35M is a modernized version of the Mi-24. It's used by the Russian Air Force. We have two of them here in two different color schemes, although I commonly see the gray one used a lot in photos. You also see a lot of these camo ones in action as well. Production began in 2005 by the Rosverto plant in Rostov-on-Don. Interesting enough, that's the same city where Wagner states its mutiny. It does have the Z markings right here. This one has it in the front, while the other helicopter has it in the back. And they also put the Soviet red star in the body right there. And there also is a red star underneath right there. This helicopter has a crew of 2 and it can carry 8 troops because it's also a troop transport. This door opens up over here, and it's also armed with a twin barrel 23mm autocannon here in the front. Now the difference between the Mi-35 and the Mi-24, although this one is the P gunship variant, is you see the tail, the rotor, there's actually 3 blades. Well, if you look on the Mi-35, there's actually 4, so it uses like this X-shaped tail rotor blade, much like the Apache tutorial I just did. And another difference is that this has non-retractable landing gear, so this thing does not close at all. It's just permanently like that, and that actually provides energy absorption during a fall. There's not enough time to open up the landing gear, so if you look at the Mi-24, this thing, it's all opened up. You can see the landing gear covers right there. And the Mi-35 also has advanced avionics like the Vita Bisc electronic warfare system, this little bump that sticks out here. There's actually 3 of them, so 1 on each side, and then this one here in the back, and they basically misguide enemy missiles to miss their target, not only protecting the helicopter but everything in its radius. And I don't know if this little bump is supposed to be part of that, but yeah, that's also on this helicopter. Now these 2 versions, they're actually slightly different as well from each other. You see in the back there's a lot of detail in the tail part, but you can see this infrared suppression unit right here is actually missing on this one. And this helicopter also has the engine exhaust IR suppressor. So you see this is the regular one, the engine exhaust right here, but you see this one, there's like a cover over it just to mask its IR signature. So that's definitely an addition you can add to even this one if you want to upgrade it. And on its stub wings, this one has an external fuel tank here, rocket pod there in the middle, while the other one just has a rocket pod and I guess it got a missile rack right there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the build. If you guys do want to commission me to build something for you in Minecraft, you can check out the link in the description. This video is not sponsored, but if you guys would like to do a sponsor, I lowered the price from $20 to $10, so you can donate, link in the description. Alright, so for this tutorial, we're going to be building the gray one because it's a lot easier. And if you want to camouflage it, it's really easy. You just reskin it and yeah, it will just look like that. Or you can come up with your own design. And for the dimensions, it's 25 blocks wide, 32 blocks long, and 8 blocks tall. So this tutorial consists of 8 stages. Now let's go start on stage 1. So for, I guess, level 1, we're just going to add in the main gun here. So above the ground, 2 blocks there. Dark oak fence gate, 2 blocks long, stairs, 2 cyan terracotta, stairs again, and make the landing gear here, slab, and mangrove slab. And then our polished deep slate slab is going to be 5 blocks long like that. Alright, once you've done that, we're going to add into the side of it, just upside down polished deep slate stairs here, 2 of them, so cornered here. And then polished deep slate slabs. This is going to go all the way over here to 7 blocks long. Add in a wooded skeleton skull to the side of it, dark oak, fence gate, trapdoor, and make the landing gear here. And then polish deep slate slab to the side of it. In other side, it's pretty much the same thing, except in this part, down the bottom, there's going to be a polished deep slate slab, while the other is a prismarine brick slab like that. And that's the main difference. Alright, so now stage 3, we're going to build another layer on top of this. So it's going to be another brick wall, black concrete, slab side of it, and then 3D effect with the polished diorite slab in front of the cyan terracotta on the inside part. Button here on the side. And this cyan terracotta, this part, it's going to be 9 blocks long over here. And then we'll add in upside down polished deep slate stairs, 2 of them here, actually 3 of them if you corner the other side. Another one at the very end, and trapdoor. And then the other side, it's pretty much the same exact thing And we're also going to add in the rocket pod and the fuel tank over here. So skip a block and add in these two cobble deep slate stairs, slabs on the sides of it. That's going to be it for the rocket pod and for the fuel tank. Stairs in the middle, slabs on the side, daylight detector in the back, and then stone button underneath it, dark oak trapdoors underneath that. And just do the same thing on the other side. Alright, for stage number 4, we're going to add in this little bit here. Sticks out like that, a bit hovering. Because in real life, this bubble actually extends here, but I can't really put a block right there, you know. And you pretty much just build this on the top. Then we got these 4 windows, 3D effect with black concrete on the inside of it. And we're also going to build up the stub wings over here. Daylight detector on the very edge. 3D effect here, sea sand, terracotta inside. And then mangrove stairs on the outside. And then an andesite slab, wall, glass pane here. And just build up right over here in the back. And here's how they look like on the other side. I'll turn on my night vision so you guys can see much easier. Alright, so for stage number 5, we'll go over here. Just add in some more slab, daylight detector, sand terracotta inside, and then this part is going to be cornered, polished deep slate stairs, and build this. And it's like a random black or random dark section here, so 3 gray concretes and then polished blocks on the slab right there, carpet on top of this, and button in. You would just build all of this like so. Alright. After you're done with that, we're going to build even more on top. So trapdoors here, wall in the middle, and just build it. It should be pretty self-explanatory by now, I think. You don't really need too much explanation of this. Alright, so second to last layer here, we're just building more on top. So just add in carpets over here, anvil, and then polished deep slate slab on top. Fence gates like that. And, you know, in the back part, we're going to finish up the tail button here. And a wall on this side for the rotor. And this part is actually supposed to be blue, so let me actually change that a little bit like that. But yeah, that should be pretty much it. And now for the final and last step is going to be the rotor blades. Alright, to do that, we'll add in dark oak trapdoors. This part is going to be 13 blocks long, while this side is going to be 4, 3, 3, 2. Other side, same thing, 4, 3, 3, 2. And the back's going to be a little bit asymmetrical because this side's going to be 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1. And you can just pause the video if you guys want. The other side's going to be 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Like that. And also the tail rotor is going to be an X with andesite slabs and mangrove slabs like that. And yeah, that's actually pretty much it on how to make Hind-E in Minecraft. Spasiba, slava Ukraini.